Don't worry, Dan. This typing test is just a formality. Well, good luck, and I'll come in when you're done.
Yeah, whatever. Go away.
The internet has changed the lives of many people. Some use it only as a research tool or consult it like a newspaper that is updated in real time. Just think of all the newspapers with their own internet sites, updated 24 hours a day. You Jew. Just think of all the newspapers with their own internet sites. You Jew.
Hello? I think this computer's broken.
Keep typing, Jew.
Hey. You talking to me?
Yes, Jew.
I'm not Jewish.
Oh, so you're anti-Semitic. Why don't you go back to Germany?
No, wait. I'm not anti-Semitic.
Let me guess. Some of your best friends are Jewish. You people make me sick.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about your intolerance. I bet you're homophobic too.
I'm not homophobic.
Oh, so you're gay. I knew it in the minute you walked in here. It's all in the hips, you gay.
No. I'm not a homosexual, okay?
I knew it. I knew you hated gays. I can tell.
No, you can't tell. I don't hate gays.
Prove it.
This is insane. You're crazy.
You're the one that's talking to the computer. Now prove that you don't hate gays.
How?
Touch my hard drive.
Oh my God.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Look at me. Look at me. And do it.
No, that's disgusting. It's
Disgusting? Do you want to call me disgusting? Because if you do, I can file a complaint before you can finish gay bashing me. I am a computer, you know.
fine.
Do it. 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 Yes. Yes. Keep typing. Yes. Oh. Yes. 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 Yeah. No. No. Too fast. Slow down. Selfish. No. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm reformatting.
So Dan, it looks like you did just fine. You had some problems with the Jew part, but you did great with the hand job. Great work, you're hired.
You're kidding, right?